I'm with this 1998 Lexus GS300, and it has a code of P0136, oxygen sensor circuit bank 1, sensor 2. It's bad. And that sensor is this second. This is bank 1 up here, the front one. So bank, so sensor 2 is the one down here at the bottom. This is an aftermarket catalytic converter header. It's a pace setter header, and that sensor down there at the bottom is the one I have to be replacing. So I'm gonna have to take this part of the air intake off. You can also remove the negative cable if you want. So just take this part of the air intake off. And this is the connector for it here. Take this connector out, and oh no, that's not it. Connector is, let me get it right. Well, I'll take off the air intake and show you which one is the connector. Okay, I just about got the air intake off. I said before, is that one right there. Okay, and here's the connector for it over here. So I'll be disconnecting that next, and then use my socket to, wrench, O2 socket wrench, and get the oxygen sensor loose. It is turning. Here it is. I'm not exactly sure why it failed, but well, these easy for me to get off because I had replaced it not too long ago. I'm thinking maybe I should start getting a higher quality, like a Denso or something. Just pay the extra money for it. Maybe it'll last a little longer. But that's the old one. The new one goes in the same way that this one came out. You want to make sure the connectors are the same before installing a new one. Also that there's anti-seize on the threads. That helps you take it in and out easier too. Got a hand tight, now I'm going to torque it in with the wrench. Okay. So that's the new O2 sensor mounted to the catalytic converter. I'm going to run the wire and make my connection. I just bring it behind all this because it's easier. Here's the snap, and the oxygen sensor is installed. Next I'm going to reinstall the air intake system and clear the check engine code and take it for a drive. Okay, that's the air intake reinstalled. Oxygen sensor installed. Don't forget to connect the negative battery cable. And now we're going to go in and clear the check engine light. Make sure the code is clear. Okay, at this point the check engine light is off. So drive it around, good 15-30 minutes, make sure it's off, and that's how I corrected the fault code for the bank 1, sensor 2, oxygen sensor on Lexus. Thanks for watching.